So with starting any great trip, we're going to start with our packing. I did a rain jacket, hiking boots, down jacket, 4 pairs of underwear, 3 t-shirts, shorts, pants, hiking boots, swim trunks, 4 pairs of socks, and then toiletries and my camera. And I managed to cram it all in my little book bag because I was trying to get away with a personal item hack on Frontier Airline. Night shift, 6 out of 6, about to go to Montana and Colorado, looking forward to it. This is the part at 4 a.m. in the morning when I do something awesome like karate in the bathroom at work. Everyone's always asking you, Pierre, where'd you go for your lunch break? And I'm like, I go and I do karate.
Bye.
Yuka, my landlady roommate, dropped me off. Here's us landing in Colorado. Yeah.
Hands up. I would tend to think things come from west to east, but maybe not, huh?
You mean with the rain?
Yeah.
Here's us packing up our new air mattress we purchased from Walmart that we're going to be sleeping on. And this is Popo and I in the Walmart parking lot right now. Got a couple pillows.
Hey.
Alright, so we're in Colorado, we're near Fort Collins, and our next stop is going to be Lander, Wyoming. So,
Hopefully.
God willing, so stay tuned.
Terrain, you know, a few hours later, you just say, oh my God. Can you imagine doing the road?
Digging through the mountain. We're in cowboy country.
Whoa, look, the standing rock.
Where?
How's it do that? 2, 3.
State number 2.
Just leave it, stake number 1.
Here we are in the back of the car. The lock makes it pressure sensitive, so if we turn, it starts honking. So we're gonna try and figure out, I guess we'll just try to be really still, or we'll just roll the dice, or maybe we'll manually lock the door at the front, and we'll figure it out from there. So stay tuned. This is our car setup. Morning. It is 6:22 in the morning, and we're about to drive into Grand Teton National Park. And next stop is Yellowstone. We're gonna go to the Yellowstone Grand Canyon. That's it.
And end up in Glacier National Park today. And that's gorgeous. Flood's going to take out that tree, ain't it? Eventually. Thursday morning.
After our Spam and peanut butter sandwich.
An orange drink. Yellowstone Park. Rainy day today.
A little bit of drizzle. Snoop Dogg's favorite weather.
But it's nice.
Here we are inside the Old Faithful Lodge. It was an absolutely massive cabin that the roof just kept going up and up and up, and it was really grand inside. We'd always walked past it when we came last time, but we never knew what it was like, and highly recommend checking out the inside. Here we have a bunch of waterfalls leading up to the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone National Park.
Montana.
Another one down. We just got done at Yellowstone at the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone. I really love Montana. There was probably about 10 times where I just stopped and would take videos and take in the rolling hills and mountains on the countryside. It's just so naturally beautiful, and it's like my happy place. It really brings a smile to my heart.
It's recording. Got the sprinkler. How cool is that? Then push it to stop it.
Our policy on this road trip was pee anywhere we need to, so here's Popo taking advantage of a quick traffic stop to use the bathroom.
It's right down to the water.
And here's our first view of the Glacier National Park mountain range. We were super excited to finally get a glimpse after all these hours of driving. Where are we going, Popo?
We're going toward Glacier National Park. Go and find our bedding for tonight. Yeah, it's been a good day, long day. We started at 4 a.m. 4 a.m. this morning.
And now it's 9.
But think what we saw. Barely saw red teeth, but we saw a shadow of them. Saw wonderful stuff at Yellowstone. It's just jaw-dropping.
What's been your favorite part today?
Just the drive. Just enjoy it. We did get out a little bit of hike down. How about to that lower waterfall?
That was really cool. My favorite part would probably have to be the views, all the driving. Like it's my happy place, seeing all the mountains and everything along. I really enjoyed it so far.
Indescribable.
Absolutely. Here we are full circle 3 years later at the very same campsite on the west side of Glacier National Park that Matthias, Adrian, and I stumbled upon when we were all fighting with each other in the car and squabbling, stressing about a place to sleep in. Popo.
Car camping, day number 2, just outside Glacier. How awesome.
Coors. Nothing like finishing the drive with a camp beer.
with 100% Rocky Mountain water since 1873.
This will wrap up our part 1 of the trip, our journey up to Glacier National Park. Tomorrow we hit the park and go to Going to the Road Sun.